Okay, I can't even see you. What are you doing? Barely. Turn the light on. Turn the light on, Stuart. It doesn't matter. They don't care if your light's on. Wait, Elena, you please stop until the light's on. Stuart, turn the light on. Turn the light on. Turn it on now. Chris. Okay, much better. Now, Daddy. Oh my gosh.
Arthur the turtle. Wait, who's the turtle? Franklin.
Arthur's an aardvark. That's a Grace, Lindsay. What? Elena. Get him. Turn the light back on. Come back. Baby. Baby. Guess what? We're best friends, right? He loves you, Stuart. Not me.
Alright.
Nope. Why aren't we friends anymore? Tell everyone on YouTube. Because why?
Yeah.
Don't kiss him, that's gross.
Ew. Yeah, it is gross. My wife is like cooties.
Right.
You hang it up at all?
Who am I? Hey, look at me. Hey, look, what am I? I'm a turtle. Who am I?
You're really good at that.
Who am I?
He's real funny, real cool.
Fucking well. Fucking well, guys.
I never said penguin hour, Preston did.
I'm gonna stand up here. This is stand up for you guys. Look, you can't see the TV. You can't see the TV. Who am I? Who am I?
He's the coolest person in the whole world right now.
That's what I am. That's not who I am right now.
Yes, it is. No, that's who he is right now.
Elena.
He's trying to confuse you and manipulate you into thinking that I'm the wrong bad person. He's the bad person. Preston is a bad word. Ew. Ew, did he just say what I think he said?